grabs a big rock and throws him on the door.
We're gonna try.
Look out!
Direct hit. We'll try again.
Oh my god!
Watch out for the knockback.
Oh, wrong side!
Dude. Every time. Whoa!
God, dude.
3 more. 2. Not this one after. 1.
Oh!
Fuck. We gotta find another airsoft fatty.
Miss.
Oh! Yo, get the camera! Yes, dude!
I gotta get the other side. No, you guys.
No, we can just shut that!
That's
Dude,
yeah.
Let's go. Oh, good throw.
Water on-
One overhand, just yuck.
It's kind of like when I hump all those girls. I kind of do like that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Did you hold it? Alright, sit down. Immediately get down.
Push it. Yo.
Just swim out if it tips, like a kayak.
It tips.
You're still in though. Oh.
I'm going under.
They could be making out in there. We'd have no idea. You guys kiss in there?
Little smooch.
Oh, it's better that way. It's more balanced out, I think.
Swim.
Yeah.
What is that?
CHS swimmer. It's a CHS frog. What do you have in the freezer? A couple of girls? You really think You see those? You see that? Holy crap. Back to the video. If I had one thing to tell anyone, it would be to not get a job in high school.
This is the MILF mobile.
Oh, bring the door. Yeah, let's throw the door off the top. Always trust your gut. And don't get a job in high school. Where should I throw it? Over the tree over there? I'm with Ben Thompson and the Reddit Gamers, and we're getting lit. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! James from Dude Perfect, hit me up in the DMs. Is that a guy?
Ben, just vlog.
Yeah.
Do it. It'll like right before you go, let go of it, and it'll still float.
Toss it at him right as soon as you right before you hit the water.
Oh my God!
Crazy guy.
Call us up!
Dude Perfect, hit him up in the DMs, James.
Got dead skin.
Gross.
Cross.
Oh, dude, don't do that.
It's like, oh, gross. Got a lot of crust growing down there.
Oh God, that's not cool.
I'm Ryan Musburger. Just turned 18. How to get a gun?
You always put your earmuffs on so you can hear your bitch moan when you get home. You'll be hearing a